Now the next exercise is complétez le dialogue avec les pronoms compléments et le passé composé. So we are going to complete the dialogue using le pronom complément and passé composé. So in the passé composé form. So the first question, vous avez reçu notre catalogue? Have you received our catalogue? And the answer, the clue is given oui. So we are going to answer in the positive. Vous becomes je. Now the word we are going to replace is notre catalogue. Catalogue. So le, right? It is singular. Le. Now for avec, it is the je conjugation is a, and the past participle reçu. Oui, je l'ai reçu. So very simple. We replace notre catalogue with le because we are answering a question. Vous is je and the particular conjugation. Oui, je l'ai reçu. Now the next question. Vous avez vu nos nouveaux appartements? Vous avez vu. Now the answer is no. No. So it is in the negative. Vous becomes je. Je. Now we have to write ne and pas. Je ne. And now we are going to replace appartement. No, nouveau appartement. It is in the plural form, direct complement. So, les, je ne les. So here, avec. So it becomes et vu pas. Je ne les ai vus pas. So, I have not seen it. Next question. Vous avez l'adresse? Vous avez l'adresse? Oui. Vous becomes je. Oui. The answer is yes. So, positive. Now, we are going to replace l'adresse with le. Je le avec. So a. Now there's a clash. So oui, je l'ai. Yes, I have it. Oui, je l'ai. Finally, the last sentence. Vous avez parlé au propriétaire? And the answer is no. Vous becomes je. Because it is negative, ne and pas. Oui, je ne. Now, au propriétaire. So the word here is au. If you remember, au is formed with a plus le. Au. So a is here. So it is an indirect complement, singular. So we use lui. Je ne lui. Avec becomes et parle. Je ne lui et parle pas. This is how we write it in the positive and in the negative. So now you know how to answer the questions and you know how to write it in the passé composé as well. So these are very simple rules, small rules you need to follow and you will get it right. So you have to see if it is direct or indirect complement and write that particular word.